Hello. Um, Today I'm going to be discussing my rub mower circuits and the codes. I'm going to start from the LED screen. This LED screen would be represented the battery percentage, and it basically turns the machine on and off. And it's connected to the Arduino via the SCL and SDA, and it's also connected in a breadboard for the power. The positive source and the negative. And then there I have 4 DC current or direct current motors. The direct current motors represents the wheels. The one on the right is the right wheel, right front, and right rear, and then the left front and the left rear. Basically, it's gonna turn my robot left, right, or forward. And then the servo motor right here represents the mechanism that controls the blade of the mower, which is also connected to the breadboard. And it's on pin number pin number 3. Okay. I also have an ultra distance sensors, which is going to simulate the robot in close proximity of an object, or if it's on the edge, and will help guide my distance direct current motors to turn right, left, stop, or reverse. Okay. I also have the Arduino, the breadboard, and I also have this little chip that ties all of them together. The codes that I have for this is, so basically I have all my variables for each different component for the LCD, the servo motor, for the distance sensor, the motor, and then I also have the setup. Basically my motor, it's going to be on pin number 8 and 9 for the left, rear and front, and then 10 and 11 for my right. All right, and then my distance sensor is going to be on pin 12 and 13, and it's also connected to the ground and the 5 volts. I also have a 9-volt battery because it's not enough for me to power with just using Arduino, so I have to have a second battery. The battery basically represents the chargeable battery when the machine, like, is actually built. So it's gonna have a battery built into it. So, and basically this is gonna come out. So this multimeter is gonna measure to make sure that it has enough battery to operate. So if it doesn't, basically, let's say if it's less than 50%, it's gonna tell the user to have to charge the machine first before using, so it could complete the job. So my code has all of these functionality. So I have the distance sensor measuring the distance, and basically from there it tells where my robot will go. So if it turn left, turn right. So, and then basically by make it turn go forward, I have both motor pins left motor pins 1 and right motor pins 1 on high, and motor pin 2 left and right on low. To make it turn left, I have it on motor pins low on left, and the only one that's going to be turned on is right motor pins 1. And then to make it turn right, it's basically the left motor pins high, and everything else would be low. Okay, now I'm going to simulate the code. So as you can see, everything is working right now. My battery's at 8.29 volts. My LED is displaying that the battery is at 8.29 volts. Okay, and then you can see my DC motors. Sorry, it's hard to zoom in, and you can see it's spinning right now. So basically, it's moving forward. And for me, the distance sensors, so I have to adjust it so that it can either turn left or turn right. It basically represents if it's on the edge. So basically, this is my distance sensors. And if you look on the code, simulate this on the serial monitor, it simulates the distance. Okay, so lesson 9, and basically right distance from left distance, front distance. It has all the distance, and if it basically like move it around just to simulate it. Okay. I hope you like my presentation, and this is basically for Rob Mower Circuit. Thank you, and have a good day.